we very consciously make sure we do not go and tamper with individual personalities. I am not here going to go and tell children, you can write, your handwriting has to appear the same. No. I am not going to say you all talk the same way. I will not do that. If a child is shy and a child wants to become an extrovert, it's a choice the child makes. I will give them the necessary support to become an extrovert. Now the child may not become an extrovert but may become very assertive. That's fantastic. That's what I want. I want every individual to be assertive, to speak their mind, to be who they want to be, have the courage to hold on to what they believe, let go if they don't work, pick up new values if you have to. In short, take responsibility for your life with integrity. And in this world of globalization, that's what you need. We need our kids to be grounded. We need our kids to, it's very easy to fly in today's world and say, oh, we have 4 cars and we have 2 cars and, I went holidaying here and I went on a flight or I went whatever. Very easy to do that. Not a big deal. I think everybody makes enough money to do that. I don't think if I am going to create an environment where he brings back the same world and I give them another springboard to fly even higher. Please don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's wrong to see the world, I'm not saying it's wrong to go, no, I'm saying it's important that our children stay grounded because that's where you will fall. When you hit ground zero and your feet are on ground zero, you know that wherever you go, you come back here. When you come back here, you should know how to stand. You will know how to stand because you know who you are. Life will take us through its own journey. I am of the conviction that if you sowed the seeds in a child, while you are on the journey, the child has the wisdom to make choices, execute them with integrity, and live a life of dignity. That's my vision for the children of tomorrow.